Freehand drawing. It is creating art without using predefined shapes, templates, or tracing aids. It involves using your hand and a digital drawing tool, like a pen or stylus on a graphic tablet, to draw directly on the screen. This contrasts with using tools that automatically create shapes or rely on external aids. Next is a 2D drawing, or two-dimensional drawing. Represent object or scenes using only two dimensions, length and width. It's a flat representation that doesn't include depth or perspective. Common examples include technical drawing, illustrations, and paintings. While 3D drawing means representing objects and scenes with depth and volume, giving the illusion of three-dimensional world on a two-dimensional surface. This is achieved by employing techniques like perspective, overlapping, and diminishing size to create the perception of three-dimensionality.